Well, the Indio Library has been around for a long time in this building since 1976. We recently finished a renovation and was sorely needed. As you can see, if you look around, we've got some new furniture, some new carpet, brand new paint job, and some new accessories, and a whole bunch of new books. Everything's great. You should come on and see us. We have 2 new programs this month, an adult coloring time and a virtual reality night. And they've been both very successful getting people that we haven't seen into the library before. And we got a brand new water fountain that's also ADA compliant, which is fabulous. The community room got a complete facelift and it looks fabulous. We got some new furniture in there and it works great. It's very maneuverable, so we can set it up for all kinds of activities. The kids' room got a completely different layout, some new bookshelves. We actually have a lot more space for books and displays, which is fabulous. The kids love it back there. We've got 2 little kids' computers, these early learning stations that the children absolutely adore and want to spend all kinds of time on. They've got all kinds of activities from reading and spelling and math and science, all kinds of things for them to do back there. If you look around here, we've got displays of brand new books. We've got hundreds of new books available. Our Spanish section, we actually have hundreds of books back there too, which is fantastic. We're really thrilled. If you just come on in to talk to us, we've got the checkout desk here and a reference desk where you'll frequently find me. Online, it's www.rivlib.info. We also have a Facebook page. Just search Indio Library and you'll find us there as well.